Hi, I'm Will and welcome to this new factory video. Planes have revolutionized the way we travel, allowing us to cover vast distances in a matter of hours. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 10 fascinating facts about planes that you probably never heard before. Fact number 1. The Wright brothers. The Wright brothers made the first successful powered flight in 1903, and their plane, the Wright Flyer, was only 8 feet long and weighed just over 600 pounds. Fact number 2. The fastest commercial plane. The fastest commercial plane in the world is the Boeing 747-8i, which has a top speed of just over 600 miles per hour or 961 kilometers per hour. Fact number 3. Materials. Most modern planes are constructed using lightweight materials such as aluminum and composites, which make them more fuel efficient and reduce their weight. Fact number 4. Largest passenger plane. The largest passenger plane in the world is the Airbus A380, which can carry over 800 passengers and has a wingspan of over 80 meters. Fact number 5. System. Planes use a system of flaps and slats to control lift and maintain stability during takeoff and landing. Fact number 6. Computers and sensors. Commercial airliners use a complex system of computers and sensors to control the plane and make flying safer and more efficient. Fact number 7. Air traffic control. Air traffic control systems use radar and GPS to monitor and direct air traffic, helping to prevent collisions and ensure safe landings and takeoffs. Fact number 8. Engines. Planes use powerful engines to generate the lift needed to become airborne, and jet engines are the most commonly used type of engine in commercial aviation. Fact number 9. Noise reduction. Modern planes use a variety of systems and technologies to reduce noise and emissions, including quieter engines and special insulation materials. Fact number 10. The future. The future of aviation will likely include new technologies such as electric and hybrid engines, advanced materials, and autonomous flight systems. And those were 10 fascinating facts about planes that you probably never heard before. We hope you learned something new today and will appreciate the incredible technology and engineering behind these amazing machines even more. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you soon.